What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. So for this video we'll be installing shocks on the 2002 Red Lightning that came back. My friend wanted to install new shocks, so he got himself a set of Bilstein shocks and I'm going to do the work on it. So let me show you guys the truck again. There it is. And he recently installed brand new tires, some Michelin 295/45 18s, and these are the Pilot Sport 4S. So we're gonna do the driver's side first because the shade is on this side and it's pretty hot out here. So let's get this thing on jack stands and let's take care of the shocks. Let's go. Get in here, see what we're working with. So it's got some red shocks. I have no idea what brand they are, but they'll be coming out for sure. Looks like you might need some control arm bushings. Let's check the brakes. They look good. The pads look good. Up this side. Yeah, look good too. Alrighty, let's get the shock off. So I've gathered my tools. This top nut is going to be a 19 mil, and I got the ratchet and wrench. So hopefully this goes by fast. It's gonna be the other way around. Oh, I can just. There it is. Oops. Alright, so as you can see, the stud is turning, so we're gonna have to hold that from the top and then give it a go. If y'all don't have a set of ratchet wrenches, then y'all need to get yourself some. Let's make some jobs a lot easier. Alrighty. Alright, so we got two nuts. I'll remove them with the 3/8 impact that I have. See if we have enough space to remove the shock. Let's see if this thing has enough power to remove it. It's an old gun, so easy peasy. Yeah, that was a lot easier than I thought. Alright, y'all, so I had to use a big boy pry bar to get that thing unstuck, but it's finally out. Too bad I didn't record that, but it's out. So let's get the new shock and see if we can put it back in there. Alright, so here's the new shock, and part number right there. All right, so just to show you guys, for the rubber bushings, I usually, this little hump, I guess point them to each other. On the top one, that little hump goes down, and the one that goes inside, the hump goes up, so it falls on this top hole. Alright, yeah, so I had to finish the front end quicker because my brother's gonna do another engine detail wash. So I got the front of the installation done. Now we're gonna do the rear. If you guys are from the valley, if you want a car wash, mobile car wash, hit up my brother. I'll post a picture of his business card so you guys can call him out for a mobile wash. But for now, let's get this rear end on some new shocks. Alright, so for the bottom nut and bolt at 18. Let's get closer. The top nut is a 14. So it's hard to record up there, but let me try and see if I can show you guys. There it is. So, and I think that's a 14. Yep. All right, y'all. This is part number 4 of the rear shock. All right, we're back in business. I just had to figure out a way to lift the bed higher without having jack stands, but we got it. So let's try and install the shock. All right, it's done. It's a little late, but that one shock was giving me some trouble. But it's got brand new shocks all the way. The engine is clean. I don't think I'll be able to light it up enough so you guys can see, but cleaned, detailed. Nice. But that's gonna be a wrap for the video. Make sure you guys like the video, subscribe to the channel for future videos. See you guys on the next one.